Hi guys, I am back with another video. I really appreciated all the feedback that I got from my first video, and it actually truly encouraged me to get back on here and to do another one. Tonight I think I'm going to do a warm burgundy eyeshadow look, something to match my cozy sweater here. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Once again, let me know if you do, like, subscribe, or just comment and say whether or not you like it. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy. So first thing I'm gonna do is makeup remover. I'm actually using a brand from Marshall's. It's called Beauty Concepts. It's a mint flavored, it smells great, and it's only $3. So let me open this up. And I just take the wipe, take anything I have on my face off, just making sure it's nice and clean. If you guys did watch my previous video, I did use Dewy and Smooth FitMe foundation in the shade Porcelain, and I'm going to do that again right now. So I just dab a little bit on my hand, very small amount. And then I get my brush and I just dab. I don't usually use a lot of concealer. I have pretty fair skin and I don't usually break out in acne or anything else, so I try to not put too much product on my face as far as foundation goes. Okay. And next, once again, I'm using the FitMe concealer, and this shade is Fair Clair, and I just dip it right under my eyes. I usually put a decent amount, and then I use a beauty blender just to make sure I get all the areas that I need to get in my crease. You can get beauty blenders pretty cheap. Actually, I got a pack of beauty blenders on Amazon, I think for $9 or less. And I think it was a pack of 6 or 7. So, and then I'm going to take my eyeliner. Once again, L'Oreal Paris. I just use black eyeliner. And I'm going to lift my eyelid. As you can see, I have no eyelashes. When you have no eyelashes, you kind of improvise to make it look better, as far as just having that blankness there. You try and make it less recognizable with makeup, and this is kind of my little trick to doing that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm taking out my Morphe palette. I absolutely love this palette. It cost me $15 at Ulta. It has some very pretty neutral, darker colors, which is what I like. I don't really like exotic, crazy colors. I do have the Jaclyn Hill palette, which took me a very long time to get. I love this palette, but it was a bit more expensive. I think it was $30. So what I first did was I first bought myself this for $15, and then I was gifted the Jaclyn Hill palette. So in my Morphe palette, I'm just going to dip into this color right here, which is absolutely to the pan right now because I use it all the time. It's just like a white cream color, and what I do is I put it underneath my eyes to kind of clean up the mess I made with that eyeliner. And I go right into my crease as well. I also use it as kind of a base coat on top of my eyelid for whatever eyeshadow I'm going to use. I just think it cleans it up more for sure. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this color right here, which is kind of like a burgundy, dark brown red burgundy with a little bit of glitter to it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dab into it. I'm just gonna kind of be messy with it and go all around just like that. And the same goes for here. I don't mind being messy with it because I know I'm going to clean it up later. And then I'm going to take this color right here, which is the one next to it. It's also like a burgundy. And I'm going to dip into that and get up here. Just like that. And it kind of evens out as is. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little more of a brown color right here, just to darken it up a little bit more since the sweater I'm wearing is dark. I like to usually blend about 3 colors together. And then I kind of do this to the top of my eyeshadow, and I just start going over it, blending it in together. Making it look as even as possible, obviously. So that's that for the eyeshadow. Take one of my other brushes and go over one color, which I'm gonna pick the darkest one, and just lightly go underneath my eye like this. I might even dab and do it one more time. I think this just adds some definition to your eye, especially having no bottom eyelashes. You want to try and just add some color to your eye. So now what I'm going to do that I finished my eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I love this one. It's Sundipped, and it has a mixture of different colors. It has bronzed, which is up here. It has summer. It has moonstone and tourmaline, I think. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but it is very, very pretty. It swatches really nice as well. And I take another one of my brushes, and I'm going to use bronzed. It's very pigmented, as you can tell. And I just go over my cheekbone and above my cheekbone. And then I just put a little bit up here, a little bit on my chin. And then I actually use the tone Summer, and that's just a little bit of highlight for me. And that I will put on my nose. So once again, that's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sundipped. Another blush tonight, which is the Milani Luminoso. It's a baked blush. It's very pretty. It is very peachy. I like mauve, but this was something that Jaclyn Hill actually had recommended. She's a beauty guru, and I wanted to try it out, so I did, and I like it. It's pretty. It's definitely not exactly what I was looking for, but I do want to get my use out of it, so I'm going to use it tonight. As you can see, it's pretty peachy. So just to give you an idea, I don't know if you can see that, but it is very beautiful, just very bright. So tonight for lipstick, I'm going to use another Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick. This lipstick is actually in the color Poet. It's a darker color. I would say it almost matches my sweater I have on right now. It might look light, but once you put it on, it actually is pretty dark. For me, it is a little bit harsh, but for the look that I'm going for tonight, I think that it's perfect. If you guys noticed, I did have chapstick on before I put this liquid lipstick on. The reason being is because this specific liquid lipstick is pretty drying on the lips. It is a matte, so I found that putting on chapstick before putting on the lipstick is very helpful, and it basically makes it so that my lips don't get dry very fast. So this is what it looks like. See, it's already drying, and I think it does match my sweater very well. I think that I had said what it was. It is Anastasia Beverly Hills in Poet, if you can see that, Poet. So the next thing that I'm going to do is my liquid eyeliner. Once again, I'm using Maybelline New York Master Precise All Day. It glides right on. I absolutely love it. It's very easy for me to put on. If you have alopecia, which obviously not everyone watching this video does, but if you do, you will know what I mean when I say my eyes water very, very easily. When I touch my eyes with this liquid eyeliner, no matter what liquid eyeliner I'm using, it actually is very, makes my eyes very watery. So that's just something that comes with having alopecia. Unfortunately, when you're doing your makeup, that is something that happens frequently. So you will see that frequently in my videos as I put on my liquid eyeliner. So just finishing up the last touches on my eyes. I did decide to go a little bit more dramatic tonight with my eyes. As you can see, it is thicker. There's a bit more of a wing, but you can do that with this. You really are able to have a lot of diverse different styles. You can go thin, you can go thick, you can go dramatic. It's completely up to you what you want to do. Tonight I just felt like adding the drama, so that's what I did. And now for the final piece, I actually want to once again use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow, and this is in the shade Taupe. So you dip ever so lightly, and I just outline my eyebrow. Tonight what I did was I did a darker burgundy brown eyeshadow with obviously darker bronzing on my face, and then I used a darker Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick, and to complete the look, of course, I put my glasses on, and this is it. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, if you did, please let me know in the comments. You can either like, subscribe, or just comment and say how you feel about it. So I do hope that this helps someone or inspires someone to just do their makeup. And once again, you know, if you have just been diagnosed with alopecia or your eyebrows aren't the way that you would like them to be, this is just a video that once again states that you can do it. All you have to do is outline and fill in. And that's what I said in my first video. It's probably what I'll say in multiple videos. And tonight I just did this look with the wing, and it was so fast, so easy. And as you guys know, you know, I have no eyelashes, I have no eyebrows, but I was still able to make it look as pretty as possible.